Hey everyone, my name is Chris Anderson, and today we're going to show you some geology activities that you can do right in your own backyard or local park. So one of the most important concepts in geology is called the law of superposition. The law of superposition says that the oldest rock layers will be at the bottom of any rock strata. And rock strata is just a fancy way of saying a bunch of different rock layers stacked on top of each other. So when you're looking at a bunch of layers of rock like the ones we see here, the oldest rock layers will be down here, and they'll get progressively younger and younger and younger as you go up, which is really important because geologists will look at these rock layers and be able to see how the Earth changed over a long period of time. If you find fossils in any of these rock layers, you can then see when those species lived relative to one another. It's called relative dating. So if I find a fossil in this layer, I know that it will be older than any fossils found here, but younger than any fossils found down here. Now, how do you get fossils out of the rock? Well, that's called excavation, and a friend of mine, Kieron Prince, is going to show us how we can excavate fossils from the rocks.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kieron Prince, and I'm a geologist. Today, I am going to teach you all about hunting for fossils. First, to the internet. Search for fossil locations near you and see what permissions you might need to collect fossils there. Next, you'll need some tools. For digging, anything with a sharp edge will do. Today, I'm going to be using a simple screwdriver. If you need to split rocks, then you'll need a hammer. But be sure to wear some eye protection. Once you're on location, have a look around. Broken bits of fossils are a great clue on where to start digging. Find a fresh surface or make one by breaking the rocks or digging into the sediment. Work carefully and deliberately. You don't want to break your fossil before you've extracted it. Start farther away and get progressively closer. And there you have it, your very own fossil. Happy hunting!
Cincinnati is a great place to look for fossils. You can go out to almost any creek bed and find trilobites or bryozoan fossils in the limestone rock that you see. So just a couple tips when you go fossil hunting. Remember to take a good solid pair of shoes and lots of water, and make sure you see if there's been any flooding in the area or if there's going to be a lot of heavy rains. You don't want to get caught in a flash flood while you're looking for fossils. And also make sure that you are not trespassing on anyone's private property. I want to say thank you to Kieron for being a great guest today, and we will see you next time on Science Around Cincy. Do you love science? Of course you do. So stay up to date on all things science around Cincy by subscribing to our channel, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at SciAroundCincy.